Hello, it is Dolly. Welcome to my channel, Scrappin' on the Go. This process video is for Mini Kit Monday with Becky, Kathy, and myself. And this is layout number 3 that I'm going to share with you using the June 2025 inspiration pieces, which is this mood board that you see in front of you. And we had 4 sketches, but I'm only going to show you the sketch that I selected for layout number 3. And this sketch is by Susan Stringfellow with Scraptastic Club. And it is sketch 139. And now let me show you my take on that sketch and the inspiration that I received from that sketch. So this is a 6x8 layout. If you are new to my channel or haven't been back for a while, you know that I am transitioning out of the 12x12 layouts just because of room. So anyhow, this is going in the album about my husband and I. I have a 12x12 album from the time that my husband and I met through 2020. So this is going to be from 21 moving forward, just special occasions or photographs that I liked from the two of us. So my back foundation paper is from Pink Fresh Studio, along with another paper from Pink Fresh Studio of a whole 12x12 sheet of these words. And yes, they are on here funky and a little crooked, just because that's the way they were created. I hand cut these phrases and I have a ton left over, and I only cut out a strip about 2 inches. And these are all the phrases, full phrases, that I was able to hand trim out. So that's what I did. And then I kind of placed the words how I'd like to see them. So from the top here, oh, and then the strips of paper behind my photograph, which again, the idea came from the sketch that I'm using. In her sketch, she used 2 3x4 photos, but that's on a larger base or foundation layer, where I'm using just a 6x8 again. And so I have 2 strips of paper behind the photograph, and it is from Pink Fresh Studio. So my papers are all from Pink Fresh Studio. I just don't remember the name of the collections, along with these cutout word phrases. And up here, this vellum piece and this vellum piece and the acetate pieces are from the Vicky Bouton flower, the Flower Emporium foiled die cut assortment pieces. And you can see that word phrase right there. You can see the acetate butterflies, these succulents. And so that's where I chose those embellishments from. And then these little silver crystals, little enamel crystal dots, are from Close to My Heart. Most card makers use these on their cards, but I love to use them on the layouts, and they're perfect for the smaller scale layouts. So the word phrase here, there's a vellum one that says, "Grateful for this, best of times, we go way back together, happy to be here, shared conversation, this is what it's all about, let the good times roll through thick and thin, simple life." And I just love how this turned out. And I have one more layout to complete from my June 2025 kit. So you get out your scrappy supplies and you create something awesome, and we would love to see that. And all you need to do is snap a photograph, upload it to our June 2025 album over there at Mini Kit Monday Challenge group. I will have the link listed below along with Becky and Kathy's channel. Be sure to give a thumbs up and share my channel. That helps bring traffic to my channel so other people that you and I may not know that's looking for inspiration can find me. They may like my style. Anyway, we will see you next time. Bye.